What's up, guys? Well, today we just got permission to go on a farm we have never been on before, never really seen before, but the people who like hunt it, I guess they hunt it too, and hunt it and manage it for pheasants, say they've been seeing a lot of roosters. So I don't know, we don't see, our farms haven't been great this year so far, so I guess we'll see how we do, but I hope we do good, because this year we shot the least we've shot in probably a few years. But they're supposed to get a snowstorm today, and it's cold outside. It's really cold, so I'll be freezing, but let's see how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Make sure you watch the whole video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay. Dylan, you want to go here or you want to go in the middle? Remy, come. Remy! Okay. Doesn't matter to me. You tell me. Remy, come here. Okay. Remy, come. Remy, back. Come here. Remy.
No, I was turning my GoPro on. Good shot. You hit him with the first shot. He was barely flat. That last shot, you wrecked him. Pete, come here. Pete, bring here. Give it to me. Pete, give it. He's good. I can't even put him in here. Here, you want it? I can't put him in this vest for some reason. My GoPro, I was trying to turn it on, and he flew up. Pete. Yeah, I got it. Glad you shot him.
Here, she smells one right here. Get ready. Remy, back. Be ready. She smells them. There's one running. Hand. Pete, Remy, you want to just push it? Come here. That's the main thing. Remy, back. Remy, back. Okay. Look at them all right there, Dylan. Look at them all. Remy, back! Look at them all. Look at them all flying over there. It is pretty amazing. Remington, come! They're gonna sit at the end, and we're gonna push this grass up here to them. Remy, come! Come here! Come here! You see how many birds there were in there? Come here! Rem, come here! Remy! Remy, come here! Come here! I don't know about roosters, but birds. There's your beehive. Come here, Remy! Come here! Remington! I didn't get the first one.
They just don't want to hunt them because they don't want to make them mad.
Yeah, probably because they're neighbors. Remy, come! But we might just go push it and push the birds over here. Remy, come! Come on, Remy, pee! Okay. Peanut, come! Remy, come! They got one. Gotta get over. They're not going to it. Where's the bird? I know, get over there. Coming to ya!
Came right to you. Rooster. Dude, that was a good shot.
Where do you think it hit at? P's got it. Good girl, P. Bring it, P. P, bring. P, bring. Good girl, P.
Here, P.
P. Give.
That thing is a long tail. That thing is a long tail.
Good, P.
Hey, no. He's not so much better than me.
She's doing. Remy is still freaked out when there's so many birds like this.
Hey. Hey.
Good girl, P. She's tired of me saying, oh, Remy's the best. That's a good find. So we got 4.
You went off together.
Come on, Remy, P, let's go. I know. There's so many birds in here.
My gun clicked. I was gonna shoot it because you like barely hit it.
Remy, come. Peanut. Remy's birdie back. It was cross for me. Be ready. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Come here, Rem. Give. Hey. Give. 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 Hunt him up. You got one, didn't you? I know. Here you go. There's 2. Come here, Remy. P. Come here. Remington, come.
You go push that thing over there.
You gotta talk to him.
He said you could.
To push it to you guys?
Push it to us.
That one clear up there?
Yeah, push it over.
I can leave all my stuff here and just take them. You guys just want to be on the fence row?
Here's one. Hen. Rooster, rooster, rooster! Come on, Dylan. Wash it, clean the gun. That's nobody but your fault. That one's a rooster. Hen. That's a rooster. Got one. I did? Yeah. Damn. I was behind him. He said move down. Rooster. Should we go scare him up? There's a rooster right here. That's a rooster too. Hen. Another one. This one's a rooster. There's 3 of them right there. 2 of them. Rooster. Hen. It's a hen. Rooster. Dylan, there's 2 right here. Hey, grab my rooster. He's right there. He's this way more. Got him. Here comes Dylan. I'm limited. Right there. Another one. Here. Yeah? Here. Why? You get a limit? I got a limit. Right there, that's a rooster. Too far. Too far. You missed like 3 roosters that flew right by you.
No, I didn't. I couldn't shoot.
Oh, I got a limit. That's your fault you don't clean your gun.
My gun is just fine.
Here comes one. No, it's not. If it's cooking, you didn't clean it. Yeah, shoot him. It's a rooster.
That's a hen.
It's a rooster.
100%.
Rooster. Oh, hen. That was a rooster you missed. Yeah, it was. Missed.
There's 2 of them.
That's mine. I have my limit.
You shot 2?
Yeah. You're stupid, you don't clean your gun. Obviously not. Dude, that was the coolest pheasant I've ever been on.
Yeah, and I didn't get to shoot anything.
Yeah, it's your fault. Your fault.
No, it's not. I cleaned my gun.
Not well enough. You put him in the back. Here.
That's what we ended up with again.
Ring it. What's up, guys? Just got back from the farm after hunting. As you can see, it snowed quite a bit on the ride back. Not bad. Around me. But you did pretty good today, as you can see.
Mostly yearlings, but
Yeah, a lot of 1 years. Really low. We got our limit, all 12. And we only shot 3 that were not yearlings. This one right here, see him? It's pretty good. But yeah, the dogs got his tail and they're coming back for him. But otherwise, we did pretty good today. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and also drop a comment if you would like to see a catch, clean, and cook with the pheasants too, because we could also do that. We like that idea. But all right, thanks for watching.